Wamchomba said it openly in parliament, and let me quote what she said. I grew up knowing Raila was a politically bad man. That's what she said. Imagine a whole generation in Mount Kenya misled by stories, misled by fear and propaganda. She said people around, those who were around her, they created scary narratives about Raila, and that's how she saw him for many years until she met him face to face. She recalled sitting with Raila at his home Karen during the BBI discussions, na huu nile wakati former president Uhuru Kenyatta alikuwa uongozini. They had a long conversation about